Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can move your contact from your SIM to your mobile phone. So guys, without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly, open your contact and here you can see three lines on the top left corner. So click on it and you can see manage contact options. So if you did not find this option here, you can see it when you will click on three dot on the top right corner. So because this option is here in my mobile phone, that's why I will click on it and then click on manage contact options. So after that, click on move contact and here select your SIM from which you want to move your contact to mobile phone. For example, I want to move this contact, then I can select it one by one and also select it at once when I will click on all options. So after that, click on done options and then click on phone options. So after that, you can see move option, so click on it and here my contact is moving. So you can see 5 contacts have been moved from your SIM to mobile phone. So guys, in this way you can move your contact from SIM to your mobile phone. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.